Hi, everybody. I received my Derma Roller yesterday, and the first thing I wanted to do was rip it open and start using it because I'm so excited about this Micro Needle Derma Roller. But then I decided it would be better for me to open it with you so that you can see how it looks like. And this is going to be my very, very first experience with it. And I just want to share that with you. So the first thing you'll do is you will read the instructions on your box because you don't use any kind of device without reading the instructions first. The most important thing is cleanliness. Right, so I'm going to open mine now. So ta-da, it's going to be the great reveal. This is my Micro Derma Roller. And just to show you how important the cleanliness and the hygiene is, it has been sealed in this bag. So just like you get an instrument at a doctor that has been sealed, this has also then been sealed in a bag. So we need to then open this and then you'll be able to continue to use it. Right, so I've cut it open and yeah, I'm taking it out of the packaging, and it has its own little plastic case that it's kept in. So you then open the plastic case and there is your Derma Roller. Ta-da! Beautiful color, it looks stunning. You see that's how it looks from close up. The first thing you must do once you've taken it out is to rinse it in boiling water. So I have a container here with boiling water and I'm going to rinse it. Then before you start, you have to make sure that your face is clean. So you must wash your face and make sure that it's ready to be cleaned. So the instrument must be clean and then your face must then also be clean. Okay, so there's my Derma Roller. It has now been disinfected. Okay, the other important thing is you cannot share your Derma Roller with somebody else because it is fine little needles. The possibility of spreading any kind of a bacteria or anything that's on your skin to somebody else is there. So don't share it. They should also have one. So buy one for them too. Right, so what is it going to do? It's got little needles in it that puncture your skin microscopically. And because your skin is punctured, your skin then goes to repair itself and creates more collagen. Okay, so when will you do this? In the beginning, you can do it once a week. And then as your skin gets used to it, you can then start doing it 4 times a week. But remember, this is a brand new procedure that you're busy doing. So be patient with yourself. Right, so I'm going to start over here on the top here. And so this is my first time, Doesn't feel too sore. Right, and then I'm going to go 3 to 4 times that vertically, and now I'm going 3 to 4 times horizontally over this area. Okay, so we've done vertical, we're doing horizontal, and now we will do diagonal. Yeah, the reason I'm starting here is because I've got a big frown over here in the middle of my forehead. Right, so now I'm going to do the rest of my forehead. So 3 to 4 times over the same area. You can use this Derma Roller. It is not sore at all. You can use it on your body as well. So if you've got a scar or a stretch mark, you can use it on your body. If you have any kind of like sun blemishes or pigmentation blemishes, it's also a good idea to use it. Let's get the out the way. To use it on those areas. Okay, and now we're just going to go vertically. So I can feel my skin is starting to get like a tingly sensation. So this is now, remember, my first time, so I'm sharing this with you live, first time around. Okay. Maybe I did it too much, but let's see what happens. So you can also use it, yeah, under your eyes. Just don't go too close to the eyeball, and yeah, by the crow's feet as well. So this will help for the sagginess under the eyes and the dark circles. Okay. The hair out the way, yeah. Get those crow's feet a little bit. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the results from the microderma needle. Okay, now I've got a hard skin on my nose here. So you can use it on your nose as well. If you've got skin that's inflamed, like from acne or anything like that, you should not use the derma roller. You should first wait for your skin to become healthy, and then you can use it, because it will irritate your skin. Okay, let's do it this way. I really look forward to seeing what it's going to be doing to the nose. Top of the nose as well. Okay. Just doing it diagonally now. You mustn't go over your lips with a microderma roller because it's needles, and you know how sensitive your lips are. And you know, when you bite your lip, it's sore. So don't go over your lips with a microderma roller. You can go above it, over here, being very careful of your lips. Okay. And you can use this any place on your body. And a nice place to also use it would be your neck area. Okay, so it doesn't take very long, and I think this is now my first time, so it will go faster as I get more used to it. Okay, so remember, we've got to go horizontally and then vertically and diagonally. And the pressure you're going to be using is the pressure. You use your forefinger and your pinky, just like the same pressure your dentist tells you to use on your teeth with your toothbrush. That's the same kind of pressure that you're going to be applying. Okay, so when I'm done here, the most important thing again is hygiene. So I must then make sure that I disinfect with boiling water again. Okay, and then the next time you use it, you can use like your Shazine hand sanitizer. And quite sore over here on the chin. I also read up about this little bit and found out that you can actually use this to stimulate hair growth. So if you're a man and you haven't got much hair on your head and you'd like to stimulate hair growth, you can actually use it on your scalp to help stimulate the hair growth. I must say the chin area is really quite sensitive. I don't know if it's just me. Maybe you will have a different experience. Okay. So I'm not applying a lot of pressure. First, must just be careful. I feel now you must make sure you're rolling and not dragging, because if you drag it and don't roll it, then you're grazing your skin. So be careful of that. Okay, so you can do the neck area. It will definitely help for the turkey neck and the wrinkles around the neck area. And you can even go down to your chest as well. Okay, but for purposes of this video, I'm not going to go down to the chest area. Okay, so there where you have the pigmentation marks, the scarring, the wrinkles, we are now micro puncturing it, and we are then going to see how our skin produces new collagen. Right, so I consider myself finished now. So here's my derma roller, and I'm going to then pop it back into the boiling water and then make sure it's disinfected properly. And then I'm going to place it back into its plastic case, and then I will save it there for the next time that I want to use it. I hope you enjoyed my very first experience with the derma roller. My skin is not burning. I can feel something has happened to it, but I must say I'm not uncomfortable, and I do have quite a sensitive skin. So I look forward to seeing in the next month how these fine lines here are going to become smoother. The crow's feet also become smoother, and then I want to see how it works on the dark spots on my face and the hard spots in my nose. So just a last mention, if you're in your 20s, you can use the derma roller as a preventative measure. And then as you start aging, your skin starts losing its collagen production abilities and also its suppleness. So then you can use it for a treatment procedure. So you're never too young or too old to use the derma roller. Thank you so much for watching, and I'd love to get your comments on how you are experiencing your derma roller. Goodbye, and keep well and keep sexy.